Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to customize music haptics on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to configure or customize music haptics on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Now scroll down accessibility and then select music haptics. Turn on music haptics. Then it should say how you can customize your music haptics. You can full mix or vocal only. So select that, and here you want to select the intensity of the haptics. Once you selected it, you should feel the intensity. So if you want to feel a jam, just go ahead and select strong. And you should say supported application under available apps. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on and configure music haptics on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.